So in the body, I add overflow hidden. Actually, this is actually supposed to be overflow X. So that's how our users will be able to scroll, but whatever. We can still scroll. And we have this background. So I think I want to make this color to be more similar to red, like yellow. Load. Yes, I definitely think yellow is better. Okay, I'm going to remove transition. Transition is rubbish. So the transition is just ruining everything. No, not this transition. You can actually change this transition back to 0.5 seconds. We're supposed to remove this transition. S. Load. So now it does look better. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. So I'm going to be sharing this website with source code on GitHub. So I will show the link in the next video I upload. So bye.